This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm in a near loop location in the South Loop, just west of Grant Park, standing on a 14th floor balcony at Astoria Tower, looking south and panning west and northwest for a view of the Loop skyline. The balcony opens off the bedroom in this one bedroom plus den apartment, and I've just stepped into the bedroom, which is carpeted. Closets flanking the entry toward the bath. Bath has attractive finishes. This is one of two baths, two full baths in this unit, unusual for a one bedroom plus den. And there's a deep soaking tub. Heading now into a spacious living, dining, kitchen area. Floor-to-ceiling windows, looking west. Cherry-stained oak flooring throughout the living area. It's a very efficient U-shaped kitchen, 42-inch upper cabinets, granite counters, double bowl stainless steel sink, dishwasher for four-burner range, built-in microwave, really good cabinet and counter space, and really spacious room. Heading back toward the entry to the unit, you have this den area. Could be a home office, lounging area. Could also be sectioned off and serve as a sleeping area for guests. Second full bath opens off the hall opposite the den and has a walk-in shower. Heading further back toward the entry, we have a coat closet, and behind the louvered door is a full-size stacked washer-dryer. Very spacious one-bedroom plus den. A building that has a full suite of amenities, including an indoor pool, 2 outdoor decks, fitness center, and more. Definitely want to have Astoria Tower on your must-see list. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.